Some gestures seem harmless, but in another country, they can be deeply offensive. Let's discover gestures you should never use abroad. Some gestures then seem harmless, can be offensive in other countries. The thumbs up is positive in many places, but in part of Middle East and Asia, it can consider rude. The OK sign can also have a offensive meaning in a country like Brazil and pointing directly at someone. In several cultures, it's the same disappointed. So before traveling, learn the local gestures because one small hand sign can send a very different message.